Good morning class, standard 9 and 10, physical educations. Same thing, what repeat last week I done. Same thing, repetitions. You have to give correct answer. Already given you given the notes. So you should follow this and write the correct answers. So basketball and volleyball. So first I asked you same repetition question there. I don't have any extra question for you to prepare. Same question is repetitions. You have to be ready to answer for that by heart. Maybe. So first question, every PT question is 25 marks each. Even volleyball and basketball 25 marks. You have to choose. This is very easy to score if you know the answer. Already I given the answer for you. You have to take down your notebook and go through your notes. You will get answer. So first of all is basketball. The question is pivot foot, timeout, throw in, holding. This is the question 1A questions. We will come to the B question, that is 9 marks. Explain in brief the terms jump ball. How does a team advance with the ball in a attempt to score? List down the officials in the game of basketball. So this is the 9 marks questions you have to take. Next I will come to C part. Write the following: an illegal screening, a live ball, a dead ball, a layup shot. This is basketball. You know the answer. You have answer I have given to you. Please refer that questions and you will get answer. Next, volleyball. Explain the following terms: attack line, setter, back zone, A rotations. This is A part, 8 marks. B, 9 marks. Always I told you the B is a 9 mark questions. When is a team compels to substitute a player? When do teams change the court? What is the procedure adopted to start a game? This is a 3 question, 9 marks. Each question 3 marks. Now I will come to the C part, that is 25 marks, last part. Draw a neat diagram of a volleyball court and mark the following: sideline, service line, attack line, front zone, back zone, rotation position, height of the net men from the ground, size of the net. So this is the questions. Already I given this. Same question will be repetitions. There is no new question for you. Same thing you have to be repeat and get the thoroughly in your mind. So go through my notes. You have classwork. Go through the notes. You will get an answer. Good morning class. Stay safe. Stay at home.